Hello, friends. My name is Hitendra Shah. I am proprietor of Shah Enterprise. We are in the business of marketing industrial, electronic, and electrical components and industrial automation products for over 40 years in India. We are representing European manufacturers for the India market, and we are having our website since over 20-25 years. And we have worked with around five different web designers in the past. In the year in the beginning of 2020, we thought of entering into the e-commerce segment, and we did a lot of research to have find the right designing partner for our e-commerce websites. And as we wanted to have a multiple e-commerce website platform, during our extensive research, we came again for lot of recommendations on Google, and we had companies from Delhi, Bangalore, Gujarat, and Pune, and so on. We shortlisted two of the companies which we found to our suitability, and one of them was Jesta Technologies Private Limited. I spoke to Mr. Anuj Dalal over the phone, and we had a very good discussion, and he gave in a lot of key points and good suggestions, and I decided to go visit him in Ahmedabad. In March 2020, we decided to meet in his office in Ahmedabad, and we had a full day of introduction conversation, and he had a lot of good recommendations, and he explained us the key features and the negative features of different platforms for e-commerce websites, and how to go about it, and what are the commercial advantages and the disadvantages of the different platforms. And it was a very fruitful discussion which we had with Mr. Anuj. He has an extensive and very good knowledge for e-commerce websites. And I also saw his product portfolio, which was very impressive. He has worked with some of the best brands overseas and locally in India. So we ultimately shortlisted Justa Technologies, and we started the work in the building the e-commerce websites in the month of March, end of March 2020, and early April. And unfortunately, by end of March, the COVID epidemic set in, and the lockdown started, and everybody started working from home. So there was a slight reorientation in the whole thing. And basically, he introduced me to his project manager, Ms. Ishita. Jobanputra, and Mr. Ritesh, and so on. And it was a very fruitful interaction with the whole team, design team, and the project manager. And it was very well coordinated, and all of them worked very hard. And the suggestions and recommendations given by the project manager as well as the team was very is really appreciative. And we started the project. We started to with our first web portal, and then gradually completed our part of it, and then we scaled to the second and the third. Rajesh was the key developer for the website, and Ishita was the project manager, and their inputs were very good, and appreciative about it. And that's how we had a detail. It took a lot of time because our products are highly technical, and but they for every challenge we threw at them, they accepted it very well, and at the same time they delivered exactly what we wanted. We also took recommendations from our colleagues, and everybody liked the suggestions given by Anuj Bhai and Ishita and Rajesh, and everything went well and smooth. The best thing about Anuj Bhai and his team is that everything right from the billing, the accounting, and the delivery is absolutely what we like as a client, and it was acceptable and very well managed. And in the beginning of 2022, we also decided to give our business for SEO optimization to Gestar Technologies, and we started our interaction with Mr. Boni. And Mr. Boni is quite an authority in the field in SEO delivery. When we interacted with Mr. Boni, he gave us a very detailed explanation on how SEO optimization is done and what are the pros and cons of the whole thing. And he introduced us to Miss Amruta Nadar and Mr. Balaji, Venkatesh Balaji. Both his team members are excellent at their work, and they have given us a clear blueprint and a detailed blueprint on how the whole process, how they will be doing the SEO optimization for our website baumerdistributors.com. And in 3 months they have given a fantastic delivery, and we have excellent visitors, footfall of visitors, both national and international. And it has helped us to improve our revenue and our business also. And to summarize the whole thing, basically, I would like to say that we are very, very happy with Mr. Anuj and Mr. Boni and Gestar team in total for all their deliveries of our 3 websites and the SEO optimization of the first website. And we really thank all of them, and we wish to continue and have a long, long association with them. Thank you, Gestar team, and thank you, Anuj Bhai, and thank you, Boni. Good day.